Hi everyone, Vinay from ExcelChamp. Today we are going to learn how you can use Microsoft Excel. We are going to start with the absolute basics, just the fundamentals. I know the moment you open Microsoft Excel, you may feel intimidated, overwhelmed because there are so many buttons to click, so many menus. You may be thinking Excel is a very complex software. Don't worry, we are going to make sense of it all. Once we cover the basics, then we will move on to advanced topics like formulas and functions, how to add charts, how to create a pivot table, and how to quickly analyze data with it. By the end of this course, you will become proficient in using Microsoft Excel. In fact, people will begin to come to you to ask how they can use Excel because you will be so good at it. To work through this course, we will be preparing the data for our ever-best stationery company, where our bosses, our managers want some quick and straight answers. They want some analysis done and they want some quick actions performed. You know, managers can be quite demanding. They may want to know which product is selling the most, which is the most profitable product, what does not sell, what is the total GST, what is the total compensation, what is the average sales, how much was the bonus paid, etc. etc. So let's learn how to really use Excel and answer these questions along the way.